News tonight, Bengals cornerback Cam Taylor-Britt, night number 2 behind bars, Hamilton County Justice Center, after he was convicted of reckless driving and driving without a license.
WLWT investigates tonight. We obtained audio recordings from 2 court hearings where Cincinnati police described Britt's driving. They say that he blew through red lights, through downtown, and at one point was driving sideways. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson live downtown with the details. Hi, Karen.
Well, hey, Sheree. Yeah, these charges stem from 2 separate incidents last year, one in June, the other in September, right after the Bengals' home opener against Jacksonville. Bengals cornerback Cam Taylor-Britt booked into the Hamilton County Justice Center after being sentenced to 5 days in jail. He was sent here directly from court yesterday after pleading guilty to reckless driving and driving without a license in 2 separate incidents. The first, last June. A Cincinnati police officer said in court Taylor-Britt had 4 women in the car as he drove down 4th Street blowing 4 red lights around 1:30 in the morning.
No seatbelts. He didn't care about that. And then literally just a few days later, on June 26th, again at 2 a.m., doing the same thing. Driving sideways, screaming tires. He doesn't care.
Fast forward to September, Cincinnati police stopped Taylor-Britt again after the Bengals home opener.
My incident was immediately after Bengals game. There was lots of traffic, lots of pedestrians. Mr. Britt went over the yellow lines, did a burnout, and drove on the wrong side of the road at a high rate of speed up Joe Nuxall Way.
And he didn't have a license.
He did not.
In court yesterday, Taylor-Britt apologized.
I mean, you're putting yourself and everybody else in danger on the street. Why?
No reason at all.
Huh?
No reason at all.
And as part of the plea deal, a drag racing charge was dismissed. Taylor-Britt's attorney asked for probation instead of jail time. He was looking at the maximum of 30 days in jail. The judge sentenced him to 5 days behind bars. Now, Britt's attorney did say that he is getting rid of those high-powered cars and also taking steps to renew his license. We do know there is body camera footage of at least one of the incidents. Of course, we do have records requests in, and we're waiting for them to be released. Reporting live tonight downtown, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.